Hey guys, I'm Isil Khan starting a new series of civil engineering MCQs which helps grow your IQ level as well as confirms success in different civil engineering examinations. So this is part 1 is a demo and this series will be kept continuous if this video gets more views. So without wasting time, let's move ahead toward MCQs. So the first question we got over here is about cast iron piles, and these piles are made of cast iron. Okay, it is known from the name just as shown in the picture. These are cast iron pipes, you can say. Okay, these are ductile material which cannot be subjected to tension. However, it can take a lot of load in compression. Okay, not talking about that guy, I'm just gonna come back to these four options which we got over here. So option first are suitable for works under seawater. Nope, these are not suitable to work under seawater. However, these can be used but not suitable, okay? Because in the seawater, when you drill a pile, there can be a lateral force, okay, powered by the seawater in horizontal palm, which create tension, okay, on the cast iron piles. And cast iron piles are ductile, which cannot take tension. That's why I'm gonna say option A is not okay over here. I'm not satisfied with that guy, okay? I'm gonna come into option B, resist shocks or vibrations. Nope, cast iron piles never resist shocks or vibrations because these are ductile materials, okay? When you vibrate it, it will break, okay? So cannot resist shocks or vibrations. Option C are suitable for use as butter piles. Nope. Cast iron piles cannot be used as a butter piles because butter piles are driven inside making some angle with the horizontal line, okay? So when you drew a pile making some angle with the horizontal line, the vertical force create an element of horizontal force, okay, which creates some tension on the surface of a cast iron pile, okay? And we said a few seconds ago that cast iron piles cannot take tension, okay? So it is not suitable to use a cast iron pile as a butter pile, okay? So option C is not okay over here. Option D are useful for heavy vertical loads. Yes, okay? Because cast iron piles are ductile material, that's why it can take heavy vertical loads, okay? It can be subjected to take compression loads, okay, or to take heavy vertical loads. That's why I'm satisfied and happy with option D. This is the correct answer to question first. Just moving ahead for the question second, and it is about farm work. Yes, the farm work from the slabs excluding props can be removed only after 1 day, 4 days, 7 days and 14 days. I'm just having the answer of 3 days, but there is no option for 3 days. That's why I'm gonna go ahead for the Indian standards. Over here we got a table, okay, and just look at over here, okay, it is soffit of slab, okay. Props should be refixed immediately and the timing over here is 3 days according to Indian standards, okay, of farm work. But in the question and in the MCQs we have no option for 3 days. We have 1, 4, 7 and 14. That's why I'm gonna go with option B. I'm just satisfied with this guy, okay? So the correct answer to question number second is 4 days. It is option B. Alright, just moving ahead for the question third, and it is about the process of filling hollow spaces of walls before plastering. Yep, the option first is hacking. No, of course that is not correct, okay? The hacking means just to scramble something onto brick, okay? So it is not breaking, it is filling. And option B is dubbing out. Yep, I'm just happy with that guy, okay? Option B is, I think, the correct, but we are gonna look for the option C and D as well, okay? Blustering. Nope, blustering. Peeling is not okay, okay? Peeling means just to remove the surface, the thin surface, you can say, okay? Just like as we remove the skin of orange, okay? So peeling and blustering is not okay. and I think blistering means that bubbles, okay, which occurs in plaster due to hydration of cements. That's also not okay. Option B is the correct answer, okay, that's dubbing out. And just look into this picture, okay, it is a wall representing a wall of stones, okay, and we got some wires were here, okay, you can see these wires, okay. To fill these wires, this means we are dubbing out it, okay. So the correct answer to the question 3 is dubbing out, which is option B. Yes. Just moving ahead for question 4. The type of arch generally constructed over a wooden lintel or over a flat arch for the purpose of carrying the load of the wall above it. It is segmental arch. Nope, it cannot be segmental arch, okay. Segmental arches are never constructed over a flat arch or a wooden lintel, okay, so that's not okay. A pointed arch, nope, pointed arch is never been constructed, it's not suitable, okay, to construct a pointed arch over a flat arch, because it is useless then, okay. We have pointed arch, so there is no need of flat or wooden lintel there, so it is useless. That's why we cannot take option A and B. Revealing, what is that? Relieving, yeah, relieving arch. I'm just satisfied with this guy, okay. It can be constructed, okay, over a wooden lintel and a flat arch, okay. This arch is a suitable option, you can say, over here. And option D is flat arch. Oh no, when there is a flat arch in the question, so this cannot be taken is an option, okay. When there is in wooden lintel, no need of a flat arch, so relieving arch is the correct options over here to the question 4. Yes, I'm happy with the option C. Just moving ahead for question 5. The platform at the end of a series of steps is known as platform. Yes, this is correct. Relief, this is also correct. Rest, this is also correct, okay, because these are platforms. But the technical term we use over here in civil engineering can be landing, okay. Just look at this guy, okay. When you climb on a stair and you need some rest, that platform is known by landing. So option D can be the correct answer over here. Alright, just another question we got over here about the pile. The pile which supports the load due to friction between pile face and surrounding soil is generally known, yeah, this is known by the name, you can say, okay. A pile which supports the load due to friction, that means this is a friction pile, yeah, okay. It is known from the name and from the terms over there. But however, we are looking for the options over here, okay. Option first is bearing pile. No, there is no friction, okay, in the bearing pile. Option B is friction pile. I'm just happy with this option, okay. But however, we are looking for the and studying the option C as well. Sheet pile, no, sheet pile is not okay. Butter pile, these are inclined pile, these are, yeah. However, friction pile can also be butter pile, okay. And it can also be sheet pile, it can also be bearing pile. But over here we are gonna take only one option, okay, which is the most suitable over here is the friction pile, okay. So the pile which supports the load due to friction between pile face and surrounding soil is known by friction pile. That's the correct one, okay. We got the answer is option B, okay. And what is friction pile actually? It can be a wooden pile, it can be a concrete pile, okay. It can be any pile, but its surface is made as rough, okay. With respect to other piles, these are never smooth, these are rough. Alright, so over here option B is the correct answer to question 6. And moving ahead for question 7, pick up the correct statement from the following. Okay, just look at to the option A. It is a mortar just having a concave finishing in brick masonry is called keyed joint. Yes, this is the correct statement over here. Okay, over here just look at to the picture. This is a concave, okay, a concave finishing. You can say joint, or it is also point, okay. So this is the correct statement over here according to me. However, we are looking for another statement over here. A mortar joint projecting beyond the face of masonry wall is called tucked joint. That is also correct. What's going on over here? This is correct, okay. Just look at to this joint. It is there is a projection over here beyond the face, okay. So tuck pointing and tuck joint is also the correct statement over here. Just studying option C, a mortar joint having a recess in it is called rule joint. Yeah, that's also correct statement. That means the answer to question number 7 can be option D, all of the above. Yeah, that's the correct answer, okay. Just moving ahead for question 8. The type of roof which slopes in two directions, again not only one direction, in two directions, with a brick, yeah, there must be a brick in the slope on each side is known as gable roof, hip roof, gambrel roof, mansard roof. I don't know about option D, to be honest. However, I'm happy with the option C because I know that, okay. Just look into this picture, okay. There is a brick in the slope, you can see, okay, and it is in the in two directions. Just look into the roof, it is in two directions and there is a brick, okay. So I'm happy with the option C. I know that, okay. You have learned this in the construction second year. Yeah, I know that. So option C is the correct answer to the question 8. Just moving ahead for question 9. Yes, the inclined surface of an abutment to receive the arch is known as cubic. I know that. Option A is the correct, okay. Just look at this picture. This pictures clearly just present, you can say, okay, that part of the arch. So this is inclined surface, you can say over here. Just look at this, okay, in this one, and there is an arch over here between these two guys. So this surface of an abutment which is receiving the arch, okay, on both sides is known by as cubic, okay. And the software, spandrel, hunch, these are also, okay, the technical term about arches. Just study this picture, okay. So the answer to question 9 is option A. Alright, question 10. Pick up the correct statement from the following. It is about DPC, okay. DPC means damp proof course, okay, or you can say somebody says dampness proof course. So it is an impervious course, you can say, or materials. Alright, option A, DPC should be continuous. That's correct. This is correct statement, okay, because there must not be break in the DPC, okay. That's why when we provide break in the DPC, that means we are making ways, or we are making rooms for the dampness to enter the structure. That's why option A is the correct statement. Option B, DPC should be of good impervious. Yeah, of course, that's also correct, okay. Impervious material, because it is in impervious course, okay. That's also correct. Option C, DPC may be horizontal or vertical. Yes, that's also correct, okay. Just look at this picture. This is horizontal, and just showing another picture over here. Just look at over here. These two walls are just adjacent to each other, so that's why we are providing a vertical DPC over here. Just this portion, okay. So all of the above options are correct. That means the answer to the question 10 is going to be option D. Yes, all of the above. So that's it. And this series will be continuous if it gets more views, okay, as I mentioned before. Please share this video with friends, those who are preparing for examinations. Be in touch. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time and wassalam.